Ahoy hoy everyone, I hope everyone's been well. Sorry about the delay in videos, but trust me, things are going to be changing here very shortly. In this video, you see me going to a guy in Michigan and looking at his 70 Barracuda convertible, and it's a Barracuda, not a Cuda, but it is a legitimate 3D3 big block car, and it's pretty cool, so take a look, let me know what you think. 1970 Barracuda convertible that's been off the road since 1982. Okay, I'm in Michigan during the week of Woodward and just came to a gentleman's house. I was invited to look at a 1970 Barracuda convertible that's been off the road since 1982. It's a 3D3 two-barrel car, automatic. And the owner was gracious enough, he started making it into a Cuda, because it's a white car, white interior. Is it a white top car? Yep. White top. It's got a black top in it now, but he started converting it. He put Grand Coupe inserts in the door panels. He put the nice interior in it. He had 3 rally gauge clusters for it. I mean, the interior, it's a little crusty, but it's not bad. The worst is, so what had happened was he had bought the car and he used it for a while, and then he had to go travel for work to Mexico for a few years. And a friend of his, and some stuff happened, and the car ended up sitting outside for about 2 years. And with a convertible especially, sitting outside for any extended period of time, especially Detroit winters, it did a number on it, unfortunately. And it's rather crusty underneath. Needs rear frame rails, front partial frame rails, and one of the cross members. But thankfully, it has air conditioning for the floors. But thankfully, everything's reproduced for these. And how many e-body convertibles are there now left? I mean, I know I cut one up alone. And this is a real true 3D3, so it's a big block car. It is numbers matching, which I'll pop here. That is the numbers matching 3D3 and transmission. He did bolt on disc brakes from a 72 Cuda. You can see it's a really nice car. Orange hood. There we go, I got it. And then of course we can't go wrong with Misdirect Connection 1984. He's even got his high school tassel still on the rear view mirror. But this thing's a real time capsule. Might be a little rough, but it's definitely savable in the right hands. And hopefully I'm able to help that along, to say the least. Not only did he save the Barracuda, but he also collected parts for years to convert it into something a little bit neater. He's got, that's just crazy. Speedos and cold air intake and bumper parts, and there's exhaust, a few fans, carburetors. He's got really cool Grand Coupe side moldings, which are pretty rare. Original 3D3 dual snorkel. Here, how about this? E-body convertible air conditioning glass. I mean, that's just incredible. And then we go over here, and then in this box, 2 spare 1970 only rally gauge clusters and trim, a few alternators, spare gas tank, radiator, HP exhaust manifolds, bunch of cool trim. And then he's also a Corvette guy, so he's got everything you could ever want to convert a automatic Corvette into a 4-speed. Pretty darn cool, to say the least. Alright, and then he has stuff everywhere. Spare 2-speed wiper motor, a complete E-body convertible top, non-AC heater box. Mopars always need drive shafts, so he's got that. And those are 440 CUDA rear leaf springs. And then he's even got, and then another really cool piece, an original CUDA rear sway bar assembly with the mounds. Those are really rare. Well, not really rare, but they're rare. And then the original jack assemblies and window regulators for a car like this. Car just like that. So neat. Even the trunk's not that, the trunk's not that bad. And unfortunately, the top may need to be replaced. Might. I hope you enjoyed that little walk around the Barracuda and the history of it. It's a really cool car, triple white and everything, so really a rare combo to say the least. And if you have any comments or questions, please let me know in the comments below, or you can contact me through all of my social media. Of course, that's in the description as well. You guys keep it, shiny side up, and have fun. I'll talk to you guys soon. I also forgot, I wanted to add that I wanted to thank everyone for watching and following along in this grand adventure. There will be plenty more coming up here in the near future. Just watch my social media. I'll be posting about it here shortly. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe my content. That way I'm able to continue on and have more fun. I hope you guys all keep it shiny side up and have a good rest of your day.